name is Carrie. What's yours? It's nice to meet you. Where is my friend? In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out. Where is my friend?
I'm outside the room.
Come in. Hi.
Hi, Carrie. Hi, everyone. I am Mark.
This is Mark, the friend that I love so much.
Why do you look so sad, Carrie?
Because I lost the book that I love.
Silly you. It's under the chair.
What? In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out.
Where is the book?
It's
Under the chair. Yes.
Wow! It's the book that I love! Yay!
Wow.
Hi!
Hello everyone, I am Lane.
Hi, Lane! What do you have for us today?
It's an ice cream.
Wow. We love ice cream.
Can we have some?
Good thing I bought ice cream for everyone.
Yay! In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out. Where is the ice cream? It's on the table.
That's it.
We don't have a spoon.
The spoon is in my bag.
In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out. In, on, under, out.
Where is the spoon? It's in my bag.
Yay! Yum, 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 yum.
Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush, brush, brush to keep cavities away. Brush, 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 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate. Isa, pagigising. Brush, brush, brush. 2 sa tanghali. Brush, brush, brush. 3 bago matulog. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Shake, shake, shake. Brush, brush, brush. 3 times a day. Brush with Colgate.
Hello everyone. I am Mark.
My name is Liz. Hello, I am Lane.
Today we're going to surprise Mary on her birthday. Can you help us? Great! Oh, it must be the cake.
Aha, let me pick some flowers. Look at this orange balloon. Where should I put it? Let's put it on the wall.
Look, this is Mary's favorite cake. She loves strawberry cake. Let me put this cake on the table.
La 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 la. Look, I picked these flowers from the garden. Mary loves flowers so much. Let's put this flower in the vase. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so sorry. 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
We have 6 flowers.
Yes, we're done.
Yay!
Knock, knock. It must be Mary. Turn off the light and let's hide behind the couch.
Come on! Oh! Why is it so dark here? Where are my friends?
Happy birthday, Mary!
Thank you, guys.
Oh.
We are in danger.
We need to make move before it's too late. A group of climate change organizations have
Emissions of greenhouse gases.
Is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of. The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazard.
Be it big or small, your actions matter. Save the environment, save the earth.
I will jump and hide from you. I will chase you round and round.
Skip in time, play peekaboo. Ready or not, you're found.
I will chase you here and there. I will chase you everywhere.
Inside, outside, up and down. Catch me if you can. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again and again and again and again.
Simon says move on the spot. Don't let Simon see you stop.
Simon says move faster now. If he sees you stop, you're out. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again and again and again and again. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me.
Scream!
Oh, it's under the chair.
Nawala.
Kunin mo na